So remember what you're going to do, you're going to create your 2D sketch up the top, right? And I would say for this one, your top view is probably going to be the best view to start drawing from. That'll give you your truest shape. Innovation generation is a really great opportunity for us because it really gives the kids a chance to do hands-on activities and projects, which the kids really enjoy. So they almost don't really think they're learning, but they're really learning. That's the best, really authentic learning that they're going to have. And they go through and are allowed to do projects and use their creativity and to solve problems, solve real-world problems.
I think this class will help me with my future career just because it's something that there's a high demand for right now, and so I can use this in a lot of different fields, so I have a lot of options.
I think the most interesting thing would be getting to design our own robot, and for the contest that we had and the design process and being able to come up with novel solutions to the problem. I like the hands-on, I've never taken a class where we get to build things and everything like that, so I thought being able to build the robot and things like that were a lot cooler than just talking about a concept in science or something like that.
Specifically the CNC router, it's fun because there's endless possibilities. You can really do anything you can think of on the machine. There's all sorts of things. You can use all different materials, different styles, and everything. So it's really limitless, the amount of things that you can do.
I really want to get into engineering in college and as a profession, and I figured this would be a good first step to get a foothold.
It's one of the only classes that teaches you how to problem solve without a formula, and so you have to come up with a solution yourself and work together. So it's the most real-world application.
A lot of what I've done in the class is, it's all a challenge. I'm figuring out how to use a lot of the machines, and we're both kind of going in the dark and finding our own way.
I started taking kind of woodworking and technology classes my freshman year, and then ever since then I've been really interested and then wanting to take a challenge, and this new machine was that challenge because there's no real knowledge of it.
If I were to tell someone about innovation generation classes, I'd probably tell them it's a really fun way to learn something new, and it's a good way to make yourself a more well-rounded person.
I think the classes that they're taking are preparing them for their future simply by giving them the opportunity to work in design teams or groups. Students often have a hard time doing that, but this is a great way of getting people that may not fit into groups as well as in some other classes. So it gives everybody really a chance to shine and to work to their abilities. What really excites me about this program now is that I'm involving a lot more kids. I'm getting really high achieving kids, and I'm getting kids that may not have success in regular classrooms, but they come into my classroom and they're able to really come to the forefront because we're doing things that they like to do.